All right, guys, I got a really cool accessory that I put in on the 2015 Subaru Forester, and it's the Compustar. Okay, this is a auto start, so I'll show you here. What you do is you take the remote, you hit lock once. Actually, no, you don't have to do that. I'm sorry. All you do is you hit the bottom one, this key right here, and you hold it, and then it beeps, turns on, just like that. This thing makes a little noise, which talks back and says that it's now working. Okay, so I really like this thing. It's really cool. This thing works like from like half a mile away or something ridiculous, and I've actually tested it out through thick walls, through buildings and structures and things like that to start this vehicle up. Now to get in, right now it's locked, so it's auto start, warms up the engine, warms up the transmission CVT. Let's say it's a cold winter or something, but to get in, you just hit the unlock button, you go inside. All the settings that were in place when you first got in here, it will leave. So if you leave the lights on, it'll keep the lights on, but we're gonna go ahead and turn it off since it's daytime. The heater settings, whatever settings you have it set, it will keep on. And right now, the key's not in it. I cannot drive off yet. What I have to do is you have to put this in to the keyhole right there, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, okay? And if you just step on the brake right now, it's gonna kill the engine. So let's say you start the car and somebody wants to take the car for a ride, and let's say they jimmy the car door open, or they break the glass, they jump in, the car's running, but there's no key in there, and if you step on the brake, it's going to completely kill the engine. Okay, so let's do that. I'll show you. Okay, so it's running right now, it's running over there. I'm going to step on the brake. Listen. Okay, the car just died, it's completely off. I can just put the key in and start it that way, or that's the only way to do it, really, is to put the key in and start it. It died. Okay, but for it to work, I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to sit inside. Actually, you know what, let's go back outside. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and lock it, then I'm going to remote start it by hitting the bottom button. It's going to talk to me. After it does that, it starts up on its own, locks the doors, can't go in. It does that noise telling me that it did start up. So if I'm like a quarter mile away and it goes did he, that means yes, it started up for me. So it talks back. That's the nice thing. Unlock it, I can do that, or I can actually use this as well. So that's the nice thing, is you can actually unlock it with this as well. You can actually auto start this with the regular key as well. You have to push that 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it'll start. But anyways, I'm going to show you here. So if I step on the brake, it's going to kill it. If I take the key, I stick it in, go 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, don't go more than that. And then once you do that, you can drive away. Okay, so I'm going to put it in reverse. It's working. Done. Okay, so I love this Compustar thing. I got it. I should have got it much sooner, to be honest. I'm at 157,640 miles. It's a lot of miles, guys, for Subaru Forester. I mean, it's a decent amount. It's been trouble-free. Knock on plastic. Okay, but I love this Compustar thing. I just got it done for my wife because it was like a late Christmas present for her. You can also start the vehicle with this key fob. Again, I think you hit this button 3 times. Let's go outside and check. We'll check here in a second, but yeah, so this thing comes with 2 keychains. There's a gray one. The gray one is a little bit more basic. It will not talk to you, but you can buy these black keys. These are the master ones that talk back. So when you're far away, it will chirp, which is really cool to let you know that it's on. The gray ones, when you push the button, it won't chirp back, but it will start the vehicle. So that's the downside, but it does come with 2 keys. I got this from Best Buy. It ran me about $500 to $600, right around there. And they did it in about 3 hours. Okay, so they did it pretty quick. They did a good job so far. It's working fine. You know, they had to get underneath the vehicle. This is not something I would do myself. But Best Buy was the best deal out there. I went to like Car Toys and a whole bunch of other places, and yeah, they'll do the remote start for like $500-600, but it's not going to be this nice one where you can like start it from really far away. It's just going to be a basic one where you can start it from inside your house or somewhere not too far away from your vehicle. So let me know what you guys think, if you guys have a remote start for your Subaru Forester. But this has probably been one of the greatest things, because these Subaru Foresters are known to take forever to warm up. Okay, like if it's freezing outside and you just get in, jump and go and whatnot, you're going to be driving around for about 5 to 10 minutes until it starts to warm up. That's been my experience. So anyways, loving it. Let me know what you think. I'll show you some more stuff, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to demonstrate how I use the Compustar using just this remote. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Chirped right on back. To turn it off, I probably can do the same thing, but I'm going to go in there and just kill it by stepping on the brake. Oh, I can't open it. It's locked. So you got to unlock it first, and then you go in. To drive away, all you do is you put the key in. 2 clicks. 1, 2. Okay, done. To turn it off, step on the brake. You killed it. It's done. It's over with. Yeah, man, I love this thing.